Here the problem reads, Marty is cutting out shapes for his traffic safety poster. He will use the shape below for a slow sign, but he wants a larger size. Help Marty draw a similar figure next to the figure given. You must use a ruler or straight edge. The definition of similar figures is given here as figures that are the same shape but not always the same size. And here we see what appears to be a rectangle that's also maybe a square, and so we're supposed to use this area over here to draw a similar figure. So let's begin by highlighting the key parts to the information. See, in the second sentence, or actually the third sentence, we're asked to help Marty draw a similar figure next to the figure given, and we're told you must use a ruler or straight edge. Okay, well, since we're supposed to use a ruler or straight edge, let's go ahead and here's one. Let's use one to measure the lengths of the sides. And let's see, this is about 2 inches here. So let's go ahead and label that. That's 2 inches. And then if we move the ruler up, we can see this side up here is also 2 inches. And then if we rotate the ruler, we can double check and make sure that the other two sides, or measure the length of the other two sides, and we see that they are 2 inches, which means that we have, looks like a square here. I think you would agree that these angles here look like right angles. I'm going to put this mark in each corner. That means these are right angles. So now we're to use this area over here to make a larger figure, similar figure. So let's see, let's go ahead and grab our ruler, and let's see, if we start, it might be a wise idea to start kind of along the same line here that these 2 points are on. So if we were to say start here and go down diagonally, but instead of going down across 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, let's see how many we can go down. Maybe we can go down 5 or 6. So let's see, I'm going to put a dot right here, and then let's see if we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that would work. I'm just going to move the ruler slightly. Basically, I'm going to use the ruler to go down here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like so. And so that is, looks like that's about 3 inches down that way. Then what we're going to do is go up the same way, or we're going to go up this way and do the same thing, and we're going to make, this is 3 inches here, we're going to make this one 3 inches here. It's going to go up across 6 squares. So let me rotate this. Oops. It's a little tricky to get it rotated just right, but basically we want it to go up along a nice diagonal here. Let's see, does that do it? Let's see, we're going to go up along here. One moment. Let's see, I want it to go nice diagonally. Rotate this just slightly. I think it'll be easier for you to do this on a piece of grid paper than for me. That's fine. And let's see, we're going to do the same thing. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. And we could go ahead and label these sides. So far what we've got is this one's about 3 inches and this one's about 3 inches. And then we'll do the same thing again. Why don't we go ahead, since we've got the ruler going this way, let's go ahead and do this one over here. We're going to count up across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, and then finally we're going to connect these two. In order to do that, we're going to rotate ruler one last time and move it so it's like this. And you can see that's 3 inches from here to here. So we'll go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, across 6 squares again. So now if we finish this, labeling this up, this is 3 inches, this is 3 inches, and then let's move away the ruler. We can leave it kind of sitting in here at the end so people can see that we used the ruler, and we might even mark that the corners of these are right angles if we'd like. And here's the little mark we do that. So basically we now have a larger similar figure, which appears to be a square, and it's larger certainly than this 2-inch square here, because this square is 3 inches on a side. And there we have our final answer.